Hello, my sweet friends. Welcome. As you might be able to tell from my voice, I'm not feeling very well today, but I wanted to hop on and share this little look around my living room before I start decorating for the fall. And also, after that, I'm going to be taking you along with me and Brett when we visited Sikeston, Missouri a couple of weekends ago. And I'm going to share an antique mall and some other things with you. And then after that, I'll share with you what we bought that day. So I thank you so much for stopping by, and I will be back soon. We're gonna go get some meatloaf and some road roast. Are you getting barbecue pork steak? So if you live anywhere near Sikeston, Missouri, you know where we're going. I am going to have the chicken pot pie. I was going to have my usual, which is the meatloaf. But we'll try something new. I get some fried okra. Oh man, hot.
Yeah, well, yeah. Just...
Well, that looks good. I don't know if he sees you, babe. Oh. There you go. It's a hot. Okay, so my food was the pot pie, the baked potato, and the green beans, and then they just brought around noodles and tomatoes and fried potatoes. And then Brett's coming that. And I'm waiting for the black-eyed peas. Next, I'm going to share with you some clips as I walked around Country Pickens Flea Market in Sikeston. All right, so the first place Brett and I went to was called Sikeston Trade Fair. I didn't film any on there, but I did get a couple of garlands. They were on clearance for $10 a piece. And I'll be using them this fall. And then I got this little plate holder, and it was $2.59. And I got a thing of towels that are in brown, 3 towels for $5.98. And then I got one more apron to go on my peg hook in the kitchen, and it's a brown and white check, and it was $4.98. And then Brett got a few things that he said he thought were really good prices, and they did. They had some good prices, and then they had some things that I thought were mainly their fall decor, like their big metal things. I thought those were way high, but that could just be me because I'm cheap. We also stopped by Carter's when we were there, and I got my boy some clothes. So I got Jameson that outfit. I thought that was super cute. And then I got him this little short outfit and this 2-pack. So Mama needs some clothes at her house. And then this I thought was super cute. It reminded me of that other outfit that he has with the little beach hat.